Hey there, Instagram enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got something interesting to talk about, those 3 letters that keep popping up in your DMs. That's right, we're diving into the world of TTM on Instagram. So, if you've ever wondered what it means or how to use it, you're in the right place. First things first, let's unravel the mystery behind TTM. TTM stands for Talk to Me. It's a phrase that's gained popularity in the Instagram community as a way to invite conversations. Whether you're looking for advice, sharing exciting news, or just in the mood for a friendly chat, TTM is your go-to. Now that we know what TTM means, let's talk about how to use it. Using TTM is as simple as adding those 3 letters to your captions or direct messages. It's like sending out an open invitation for people to reach out and start a conversation with you. So, the next time you post something interesting or exciting, don't forget to throw in those TTM hashtags. But when is the right time to use TTM? Well, you can use it anytime you want to encourage engagement. Whether you're sharing a funny meme, a breathtaking travel photo, or just your thoughts of the day, TTM can be that nudge that turns a scroll into a conversation. Now, what do you do when someone takes you up on your TTM offer? Responding is key. Make sure to reply promptly and keep the conversation going. It's all about building connections and fostering a sense of community on your Instagram page. While TTM originated on Instagram, its friendly nature has led it to spill over onto other platforms. So, feel free to sprinkle some TTM magic on your Twitter or Facebook posts too. TTM is part of the broader trend of internet slang, where abbreviations and acronyms make communication more efficient and playful. So, if you're into keeping up with the latest online language, TTM is a must-know. And there you have it, the ins and outs of TTM on Instagram. Whether you're new to the platform or a seasoned user, TTM is a fun way to connect with your followers. So, go ahead, try it out, and let the conversations begin. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more Instagram tips, and as always, TTM. See you in the next one.